DR Production TV for legit news. If you like this content, guys, please like and share, and subscribe to DR Production TV for legit news. In this clip, Jamaican killed another Jamaican in Canada on the farm work program.
Kill him, man. Kill him. Yo, já mostra boa ele não. Já mostra uma pena. Já mostra bem ele, vai ali police. Vai ali police. Put it down. Fuck her. Boy, just kill him on dog. No, yo, no lick him, no lick him. Man is trying to cooperate and lick out in head back same time. What? Okay, sir. Do the job, sir. Yeah, do the job.
You done in a trouble already, and man come to
You dead, you know? You dead, you know, Roland? I must dead, man. You can't look for that youth come back, brother. I must dead, brother. I see man a get done. A knife that up on the lungs, you know? I will stab him, you know? Judgment. Judgment upon the camp, youth.
DR Production TV for legit news. In this clip, it is allegedly reported that Jamaican killed another Jamaican in Canada, and they are said to be on the farm work program. It is said that these men have had some disagreement which now led to another man stab the other in his lungs, which, and based on what they're saying in the video, is that they don't think the other gentleman going to survive after where he received the puncture from the knife. But all I have to say that it's something that I think as Jamaicans we have an issue with controlling our anger. And this is really bad for other Jamaicans who would like to go on the farming program, can better off, our lives and our families. So this is a really bad picture for Jamaica. Come on, guys, we can do better than this. In every situation, we can avoid. Do not commit a murder. If you need help, talk about it. Find somebody who can help you. Don't go around and kill people like this. This is really bad for our nation. Many Jamaicans I know want to go on this farming program, and because of this, it might make it more difficult. So come on, Jamaicans. DR Production TV.